Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. And as a plant lover, I was immediately drawn to these gorgeous fern drinking glasses. This is the most gorgeous collection of glasses from QELVIO. These fern lowball glasses are just my absolute favorite. They are 10 ounces, and when it comes to these, all of this texture is on the outside, so they feel so incredible in your hand. I also really appreciate how these glasses are actually fade proof and peel proof. So you're not going to lose this gorgeous color. And they are dishwasher safe. That just makes any drinkware, in my opinion, like 1,000 times better. And these do not disappoint. They are gorgeous, heavy duty, and extremely high quality. I absolutely love them. You're looking for really unique drinkware that is absolutely gorgeous and extremely high quality, I really recommend getting these Fern drinking glasses. They are so beautiful. You're going to love them. And that's my point of view.